Running Linux on your Mac with Parallels and have a Linux virtual machine file? This is a Linux VM bundle from Parallels Desktop. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and manage these Parallels Linux virtual machine files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful Linux inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A user searching for this is likely trying to run a Linux operating system on their Mac or Windows computer using Parallels Desktop. This file contains the entire state of a Linux virtual machine, including its virtual hard disk, settings, and memory state, allowing for a self-contained OS environment. The Linux file is a package or container format, essentially a directory disguised as a single file on macOS. It bundles multiple components like the virtual hard disk, HDD, configuration files, PVS, and memory snapshots. This design allows for easy portability and management of the entire virtual machine as one unit. The developer of Parallels Desktop, Parallels, created the original specifications for Linux. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot mount virtual disks by itself, so virtualization tools must do so. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your Linux file and select Open With. Test Parallels Desktop. If it appears, if it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the Linux file won't budge, stay calm. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here's a list of the key technical reasons this Linux format often fails to open. First, opening in Parallels Desktop. Launch Parallels Desktop on your Mac from parallels.com. Double-click the Linux VM file to open it in Parallels, which adds it to the control center. Click the VM icon to start the Linux operating system within the virtualized environment running concurrently with macOS. Next, examining bundle contents. Right-click the Linux bundle in Finder and select Show Package Contents to view the internal files. The bundle contains the virtual disk images, configuration files, and snapshots. Avoid modifying internal files directly, as this can corrupt the VM unless you fully understand Parallels file structure. Finally, migrating between hosts. Copy the Linux VM bundle to external storage or another Mac to migrate the entire Linux virtual machine. Open the bundle in Parallels Desktop on the destination Mac, which detects the VM and adds it to the control center. The Linux environment resumes with all installed software and data intact. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.